to outside to see the sunset. So how's the audio now? Is it better now? Let me know in the comments below. Is the audio better? No, it's a little bit windy now, so let me show you the sunset. That's the sunset. Pretty, isn't it? So it was really windy before earlier. So let me guys know if you like the quality of this camcorder before than the handy cam I used to have. I think I'm liking this a lot better than the handy cam. But yeah, I'm thinking the audio is a lot better now. I will see when you're on the computer. If not, I will upload it. If it is good, I will upload it. If it isn't, I won't upload it. But I just want to test out the audio, see if I fixed it. But yeah.